In today's Style File, teens and makeup. We've got your back, Mom. Studio 5 style and fashion contributor Megan Moore is here with a shopping guide to help young girls ease in and enhance their natural beauty. So are you entering this little discussion at your house?
I mean, we're getting there. My daughter wears a ton of makeup for dance, and she doesn't really like that. So right now, it's not something she wants to do, but I think we'll get there, and I'm definitely planning ahead for that. But I get asked a ton from my readers, like, what do I do with teenagers?
Right.
I'm gonna help you as best I can.
You're gonna do your best. Well, I'm thinking back, I'm years away from this, but I'm thinking back to my own colorful conversations with my mom, and a lot of it circled around eyeliner. Remember when we did like the black and then the white layer? What were we thinking?
It was a rough time.
She tried to save my life when the makeup side of the street, but it didn't quite work out. So you're basically, you've put together kind of a teenage makeup kit.
Yeah, so overall beauty, so skincare and hair, all of this, if you bought the whole thing, is about $80, so it's not a ton of money. I think it's hard because you're in a transition. They're older for the kid stuff. They're too old for that, right? But you don't want to be spending an arm and a leg on really nice high-end skincare and hair care when they're teens. So this stuff is effective, good quality, but not super expensive.
And I love your goal because I think it will resonate with a lot of moms watching. It's simply to enhance their natural beauty, not powder them up or take them over, but just bring out what they already have. Okay, let's jump in. What's first?
So skincare, I think, is a big one because they're obviously going through some hormonal changes, right? This is a hard time of life as far as skincare goes. Right. Dealing with acne, especially in oily skin. So these three are my favorite, and keep it simple. Again, nothing too crazy. So this is the Tea Tree line from the Body Shop, which you can get at the Body Shop or even at Ulta carries it.
I wouldn't think of the Body Shop as kind of a skincare source.
Their Tea Tree is awesome because it's great for blemishes. It's all natural. I like it because both boys and girls can use this. It doesn't look flowery or girly, so a guy can use it. It smells like the spa. It's very minty and fresh. So again, if you're trying to get your 14, 15-year-old boy to use it, you know, that's a hard get, right? But this one works for that. It's a simple cleanser and then a tea tree oil that you can use to spot treat on the little blemishes or all over the face.
And what does tea tree oil do exactly?
So it's going to kill bacteria and it's going to help dry out the oil. So it's not like a really harsh acne treatment, but most kids don't need a really harsh one. That's going to be reserved for a really difficult situation.
Okay, all right, what's this?
Just make sure you hydrate after. Anytime you're using acne, you're going to be drying it out.
Even if the skin's oily?
Yes, because if you dry it out too much, it's going to produce more oil. So make sure you hydrate again. And this is the Burt's Bees. I love this lotion. It's a daily lotion. It doesn't smell florally. Again, a guy could use it. And it has SPF 15, which is crucial. Get them in the habit of using an SPF, and it's just part of their routine, so that way it carries on through their adult years as well.
We can grab this at Ulta Beauty. Okay, entering into the makeup category, what do you think is the #1 mistake teens make when they reach for makeup for the first time?
I mean, probably YouTube, right? YouTube messes kids up because they see these routines, and even I'm guilty of this, where you have 40 products.
Right.
Not necessarily. I have 5 here. This is what I think is all you need. Enhance, but don't cover up, right? So first thing, I love this BB cream because it's mattifying. So again, great for oily acne skin, and you can put it on with your hands, quick, like almost like you're just putting on lotion.
See, I wish they would have had BB cream back when we were younger. That seems like just a natural reach for.
Exactly. You don't need a lot of foundation, just something to kind of enhance and cover up the redness and the spots, but you can still see their cute freckles and the things that make teens beautiful, right? And then again, going into a palette like this, I love this one by Makeup Revolution because it's a blush, it's a highlighter, it's an eyeshadow. You can get so much use out of one $10 palette, and this is awesome quality. So a couple different brushes, you can go into the blushes. These are great highlighters, and all of them work for eyeshadow colors too. You don't have to have a separate eyeshadow palette.
I love that you're pulling out a palette though, and even reaching for brushes. I think that will help accomplish what they're after, which is to feel grown up. Yeah. Right? They want to feel like they're at least acting like those beauty bloggers.
And this looks beautiful, like beauty blogger worthy. It totally is, but in the $10 range, it's perfect for a teen.
Okay.
On the eye makeup, I love the brand Essence. Their mascara and their eyebrow gel, they're both like under $5, and their quality is amazing. This is one of my favorite mascaras, like top 3, and it's $5.
Oh, wow.
I love it. And then this brow gel, again, you see all these Instagram brows, right, that are perfectly, all the little hair strokes and all that. Just like they have these beautiful bushy eyebrows. Use them, love them, don't tweeze them. Just, you know, put a little brow gel in them, clean them up, make them feel shaped and nice, but you don't need to like pencil in the perfect brow strokes.
I remember the very first beauty product my mom ever gave me was clear mascara. And I felt like I was the coolest cat, like with my clear mascara. Like, what was that doing? Nothing.
Nothing.
But I really felt cool about it.
Yes, absolutely. And then lastly, just a great lip gloss. I say ditch lipstick, keep that for your older years. Lip gloss and bright, fun colors. I love these NYX butter glosses. They smell like vanilla buttercream frosting. They're amazing, super easy to put on, and $6, but just keep it light and bright, right?
Did you say buttercream frosting?
Yes, you gotta smell them, they're amazing.
I know the matte collectible is like the cool thing to have those heavy dark colors, but if you can start here, I think that's the one thing that I would say
for sure
would be awesome for teens to, appreciate. It's just the lighter, more
and
sheer
quick
effect.
and easy. Who has time for a full lipstick in high school?
All right, what's this?
So this is probably the thing I get asked about the most is shampoo and conditioner for teens, because again, they're going through that weird transition where they become oily really almost overnight, where it's just very noticeable. So I love this line. This is the Not Your Mother's line. It's an all natural version, and this is their, it's kind of like a seawater. If you want to smell it, it smells so good.
Oh, yum.
But it's light, and again, in the blue packaging, both a boy and a girl can use it. It's not too feminine, right?
Right.
But it's going to help dry out some of that oil in the hair, and it's really light and fresh and perfect for that kind of transitional oily scalp time.
You've done it. $80 is the whole kit.
Yep.
You can build up product by product or just go for the whole caboodle. I have to smell this again.
It smells amazing.
That was seriously,
Isn't that?
That's
it's
delicious.
That blue sea kale.
I like that. Hey, big news. You are giving away this entire kit on your Instagram, right?
Yep, the whole kit for some lucky teen out there. So head over to my Instagram @BeautySnoop and you can enter there.
All right, and encourage they follow her because you're sharing so many great teen appropriate looks and products. We appreciate that.